At Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer, your next family adventure starts with our stunning 2026 Hyundai Palisade Preferred Trend all-wheel drive. Designed for busy families and unforgettable road trips, this three-row SUV blends luxury, space, and safety to keep everyone comfortable and connected. Perfect for weekends at the beach, hockey tournaments, or lakeside cabin getaways, our Palisade offers seating for up to 8 and a spacious cargo area for all your gear. With features like a power sunroof for fresh air, tri-zone climate control for all-around comfort, and heated front seats for those frosty maritime mornings, every drive feels like first class. Enjoy confidence on New Brunswick roads with Hyundai's H-Track all-wheel drive, forward collision avoidance assist, and blind spot collision avoidance. Tech-savvy families will love Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a brilliant touchscreen infotainment system to keep everyone entertained. Plus, buying from Jim Gilbert's means peace of mind with our 12-month huggable guarantee, 2 key guarantee, balance of factory warranty, a free Carfax, a full tank of gas, and a spin on our spin-to-win gas wheel. Stop by today and experience the warmth of Canada's huggable car dealer. Your Palisade awaits.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug